Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hard work feels good. I'm going to show you how to tackle firewood, chainsawing, and more while I share my skills with you. Join me in achieving small accomplishments as part of the bigger picture. It feels good. Give it a try. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Hard work feels good. Now we're going to go through a basic how to start a chainsaw. I know some people were asking about it, so I figured, you know what, just gonna quickly go through it. Obviously, before I start, first off, I'm using a STIHL MS 180C. As you can see, before we even do anything, because I'm gonna be cutting some stuff up today, before I always start, it's always a good habit to get into just you know, make sure your fuel is good. I know I did a video, we'll throw a link in there to you know, mixing the fuels. Just a good habit to get into. Just wait, by the you know, you get started cutting, next thing you know, you're out of fuel, out of chain oil. You don't want that. You want to make sure you're prepared and good to go. So that's the fuel, and then I use bar oil. It's what I use. Like I said, top it all off before we even start. You don't want to run out of bar oil while you're, you know, cutting, because then you'll burn the chain up, you'll burn the bar up. It's the last thing you want to do. Alright, so in order to start this the right way, as you can see, we have choke, full choke, etc. So in order to do it, you're going to push down this and the trigger at the same time, and then you're going to turn it all the way to full choke. It's the only way it goes down. If you try to go down, it won't go full choke. You have to push both to go to full choke. Always make sure your chain brake is on. Obviously, you release it up, the chain can spin freely. When you turn the chain brake on, it's locked. It can't go nowhere. Whenever you start the saw, you always want the chain brake on. So you turn it all the way down. Now on this particular model, you don't have to sit there and go, you know, real hard pulling it. It's set up that it's got a quick, it fires on its own basically as you slowly pull it out. It's a nice feature, saves your shoulder, saves your energy. So the proper way to do it is to put your foot down in here to hold it down and just give it a pull. Now this is a complete cold start. My saw has been sitting for a day, overnight in the cold. This is a straight 100% cold start. And you hear it pop. It tries to start. That means it's primed, it's fueled. Now what you do is you push this lever up one notch. Okay, so this is off on half choke, full choke. So now you're at half choke. Again, foot in there. It's kind of hard with the steel toe boots, but I make do. And starts right up. All you do is give a little gas, it releases it. Got it set up for like a high idle, and you're good to go. All you gotta do is release your chain brake. back on, so that you can. Off, on, half choke, full choke. You shut it off, you just push it up to the off. Now if you want to restart it, because it's warmed up, you just turn it on, and you do a quick pull, it fires right up. That's the nice thing about using the synthetics, etc. Make sure that you're, properly oiled. Gas, use the 93 octane, like I've talked in my other videos. That's really, really important. All right, other than that, guys, let me know your thoughts, comments. Don't forget to like the video. Helps me bring more content to you. Don't forget, hard work. It feels good. Give it a try.